Alright, so Valentine's Day is coming up pretty soon, probably about, today's the 29th, so I think there's 30 days, 15-ish days away from today. So you got plenty of time to do this. Instead of going buy flowers that are going to wilt and be gone, you can build a metal rose. I see a lot of people do it out of washers, but it's stupid easy to make a sheet metal rose, and it looks 1,000 times better. It takes almost about the same effort, a little bit more because you have to cut out the metal, but super easy. You don't need fancy tools or equipment. I use a pair of iron, I don't know, tin snips, 2 pliers, any hammer, angle grinder, floppy disk, drill, a welder. And you can do anything else, you can do a rod or anything, but I take filler rod, and a vice grip. I use a vice grip bench. Filler rod, twist it around with the drill, pinch it in there, make a stem. I have done it with the other style, and a blowtorch if you want these cool colors. You can do all sorts of different colors. This one's kind of older and it's got a little rusting into it, which is kind of cool. It gives almost a bronze finish. And then you just need this little template. I'm gonna scan it, put it on there, get it on my link tree in my bio so you can get it printed out. When I did it, I had to re-zoom it in a few times to get that 6 inches, because there's a thing. This is not mine. I found it on the internet. Not taking credit for it, but that's all I do. You get 22 gauge steel, as you can see right there. Cut the templates out, hammer them flat, put a drill hole through it. Take your pliers, and after it's all drilled, you just basically bend and crimp down around the ends. And then you weld it onto the stem, bend the top pieces up, and slowly get it all bent up. And you might use a hammer to tighten it down. And you get one of these. She won't forget this gift. You can also, what I've done in the past was take flat pieces of steel, drill holes out in them, weld them in, and wrap and twist like 3 or 4 roses around each other. You could also, if you're skilled enough, take some sheet metal and almost do like a cone shape for a bouquet. Or even I've seen people do old pipe and weld it in there, and then they have like a bouquet of roses. So make sure you stand out for Valentine's this year.